Good morning, dear students. In this lecture, we are going to learn concept of pH. In previous lecture, we studied concept of acid and base. Acids are those substances which donates H plus ions, while bases are those substances which accept H plus ions. The hydrogen ion concentration or H plus ion concentration plays significant role in various types of biochemical processes in all living organisms. The hydrogen ion concentration is conveniently expressed by the term pH. Therefore, if we see the definition of pH, pH is defined as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration or hydrogen ion concentration. This is the definition of pH. pH is defined as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration or hydrogen ion concentration. If we see the mathematical equation for pH, pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ion. We know that acids are broadly classified into two main categories: strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids have more tendency to dissociate, while weak acids have less tendency to dissociate. Due to the more tendency to dissociate, strong acid produces more ions, while due to the less tendency to dissociate, weak acids produces less ions. Hence, the pH of strong acids and weak acids are different. If we take the examples, for example, hydrochloric acid or HCl is a strong acid. When H plus ion concentration is 0.1 molar, then what is the pH of hydrochloric acid or HCl? pH of hydrochloric acid or HCl can be calculated as follow. According to the definition of pH, pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ion. This is the equation number 1. The concentration of H plus ion is given here and it is 0.1 molar. Put this value into the equation 1. This is the equation 1. pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ion. Therefore, pH is equal to minus log of concentration of 0.1. The term 0.1 is converted into 10 raised to minus 1. Therefore, pH is equal to minus log of 10 raised to minus 1. By applying logarithmic rule, log of a raised to b is equal to b into log a to this equation. we get pH is equal to minus into bracket minus 1 into log of 10, minus minus plus plus 1 into log of 10 is 1. Therefore 1 into 1 is 1, that is pH is 1. When concentration of H plus ion is 0.1 molar, then the pH of hydrochloric acid is 1. Similarly, when H plus ion concentration is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, then pH will be 2. When concentration of H plus ion is 1 into 10 raised to minus 3, then pH is equal to 3. That means the concentration of H plus ion decreases, the value of pH increases. But for a weak acid like acetic acid, the formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. pH will be different because of less tendency to dissociate. For example, 1 molar acetic acid on ionization gives 0.0042 molar of H plus ion or H plus ion concentration. Then what is the pH of acetic acid? The pH of acetic acid can be calculated as follow. pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ion. This is the equation number 1. The concentration of H plus ion is given here 0.0042 molar. Put this value in equation 1, we get pH is equal to minus log of concentration of 0.0042. The value 0.0042 is converted into the value 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. We get minus log of concentration of 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is the equation number 2. By applying following logarithmic rule to equation number 2, the logarithmic rule is log of A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Here 4.2 is A and 10 raised to minus 3 is B. Therefore minus log of 4.2 plus log 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. The log of 4.2 is 0.62. Therefore minus 0.62 plus 1 into log of 10 raised to minus 3. The log of 10 raised to minus 3 is 3. Therefore minus 0.62 plus 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Therefore minus 0.62 plus 3. We get an answer 2.38. That is, the pH of 1 molar acetic acid is 2.38. That means the pH of strong acid and weak acid are different because of their ionization property or tendency to dissociate more or less. The pH of a solution can be calculated or checked by suitable pH indicators or by pH indicator paper. Accurate pH can be determined by pH meter. pH indicators working in different pH ranges are shown as follow. This is the table, and this table consists of different types of the pH indicators and their working pH ranges and color change. If we see the examples, thymol blue, the working pH range is 1.2 to 2.8, and at this pH range it shows color change from red to yellow. R stand for red and Y stand for yellow. Methyl orange is an indicator working at 3.2 to 4.4 pH range, and at this pH range it turns from red to yellow color. Methyl red is an indicator work at pH range 4.4 to 5.2 and shows color change from red to yellow. Litmus is another pH indicator. Working range is 4.5 to 8.3 and color change from red to blue. Bromothymol blue is another pH indicator. The working pH range is 6.0 to 7.6 and color change from yellow to purple. P stand for purple. Metacresol purple is another pH indicator. The working range of this pH indicator is 7.5 to 9.2 and color change is yellow to blue. Thymol blue, the pH working range is 8.0 to 9.6 and color change is yellow to blue. And the most common pH indicator is phenolphthalein. The working pH range is 8.0 to 9.6 and shows color change from colorless to red color. Bromocresol green is a special type of pH indicator used during isolation of casein protein from milk. This bromocresol green indicator turns red to grassy green at pH range 4.6 to 4.8. This is all regards to the concept of pH. Thank you very much.